Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of ICYMI. So as you can see, we're back in the office and there are a few updates regarding ICYMI that I want to tell you about. Okay, so from today onwards, ICYMI will no longer be a daily show, but instead it will take place on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays every week. This change is actually to make room for more content in the future. So for each day, it will be a different topic. So on Mondays, we'll be focusing on the news that we have missed during the weekends. And on Wednesdays, we'll be focusing on new product launches. So if there's any new phones or new laptops, we'll cover on Wednesdays. And for Fridays, we'll be covering news about deals. So if there's any good deals that you don't want to miss, remember to watch Friday's ICYMI. But if you guys have any suggestions on what should I talk about during these 3 days of ICYMIs, well, remember to leave them down in the comment section below so I can check them out. Okay, and since today is a Wednesday, let's talk about a brand new product, and this time it is from Xiaomi because they are about to launch the Poco X3 NFC. This device is the successor to the current Poco X2 Pro. The Poco X3 global launch event is taking place on the 7th of September 2020 and it will be streamed live at 8 PM Malaysian time. You can watch it on the official Poco Facebook page. From what we have known so far, the X3 is a mid-range smartphone and is the first to run on Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 732G processor. This appears to be an upgraded 8nm Snapdragon 730G chip as it shares a similar Cairo 470 CPU cores that runs at a higher clock speed up to 2.3 GHz. It also uses the same Adreno 618 GPU which is upgraded with 15% faster performance. With this chipset, we can confirm that 5G is not supported. Samsung, on the other hand, has also launched their brand new Galaxy M51 and it is already listed on Samsung's German website. This is the top-of-the-line phone from the Galaxy M family and it has a really large battery. How huge? Well, this time it comes with a 7000 mAh battery which is 1000 mAh more than the current Galaxy M31 and M21 in Malaysia. In Europe, it is priced at 360 euros, which is around 1,786 ringgit. But do note that European pricing is significantly higher than the Malaysian market. The Galaxy M51 is expected to be released in India soon, but there's still no indication if it will be introduced in Malaysia soon. So stay tuned to Soy Chin Chow for more updates. Huawei has launched its new Watch Fit smartwatch that looks almost like an Apple Watch with a taller screen. They've also introduced the Freelace Pro and this time it comes with active noise cancellation. Both of Huawei's new devices are targeted towards fitness enthusiasts who are looking for a better track their workout performance while enjoying some music as they exercise. And according to Huawei, both the Watch Fit and Freelace Pro will be available from Malaysia on the 9th of September onwards. The Huawei Watch Fit is priced at 499 ringgit while the Huawei Freelace Pro is priced at 399 ringgit. Both the Watch Fit and Freelace Pro can be purchased from Huawei's online store, experience stores and authorized dealers nationwide. It looks like GoPro is about to launch a brand new action camera which makes vlogging and selfies a whole lot easier. The GoPro Hero 9 Black has been revealed by reliable leakster Roland Kwan and we now get to catch a glimpse of this device. More than a year after the DJI Osmo Action was released, the folks at GoPro is following their footsteps by including a larger front-facing color display. This makes it easier to frame the shot and it looks much sturdier than attaching a display mod on the current GoPro Hero 8. The overall exterior looks similar to the current GoPros and it still retains a touchscreen at the rear. There's no details on the actual hardware specs, but it is speculated to support 5K video recording sometime in the future. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 is finally official and this is the successor to last year's Galaxy Fold. After some feedbacks about the Galaxy Fold, the new Fold 2 now features a larger screen and a new hinge which unfolds more possibilities. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 will be available in around 40 countries including the US and Korea on the 18th of September 2020. Pre-order will begin at selected countries from the 1st of September 2020. Since Alex is covering this story extensively, let's ask him what he thinks about this device.
Well, I think this is quite a remarkable upgrade over the previous Galaxy Fold. In front, you get a larger 6.2-inch screen, so finally you get a full screen in front versus the old one which had a small 4.6-inch screen. And on the inside, you get a slightly bigger 7-inch screen that now pushes 120Hz. So this is the first time a foldable smartphone has such a higher frame rate display. And of course, under the hood, it runs on the top of the line Snapdragon 865 Plus with 12GB of RAM. But in terms of storage, it's a bit smaller though. It's 256GB for most markets. But interestingly enough, in markets such as China, Taiwan and Hong Kong, they're getting 512GB of storage. Well, in terms of price, in US it's about $1,999 which is more than 8,000 ringgit. So it's still quite expensive. And it's going to be available in 40 countries on the 18th of September.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this new format. And if you like it, remember to give it a thumbs up and follow us on Facebook and hit the notification bell icon so you can stay updated to our future videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.